Hello there. We're going to go through a quick video about Equatio and getting it installed on your machine. So the first thing you need to do is recognize that Equatio is a Google extension. And so if you don't yet have the extension, and you'll know if you do, it's up here. And you can always look for all of your extensions, whether they're pinned or not. But if you don't have your extension, then what you want to do, one way is to Google search for it. So if I type in here, Equatio extension, boom, click on the link. And if you have it, it will be installed. If you don't, you will want to install it. So go through the steps. And then you can head back to your dock. And the next step here is activating Equatio. So you'll notice down here at the bottom of my screen, it's just a normal screen. In order to activate it, one click, and you'll get the Equatio tools. And I want to show you a few of these tools now. So down here at the bottom, first tool that I want to talk about is the equation editor. So if you click on that, if you, let's say, the question is, what is the formula for the area of a triangle? Well, maybe you forget that. And then if you start typing area of a triangle, boom, click it. And then what you can do is you can insert the math. And wherever your cursor was, it inserts it. I actually want it down here, so I'm going to drag and drop it there. Sweet. Okay, so that's the equation editor, and it can really be quite helpful. Let's keep moving across. We're going to skip this one. We're going to go to the graph editor. So the graph editor actually is connected to Desmos. Desmos and Equatio have a link or have an affiliation. So whatever features you've used in Desmos before, you've got them here with Equatio. So let's say that I want to create a graph, y equals 4x plus 2. There's my graph. Let's say that I want to insert that. Now I need to figure out where I want to insert that. I'm afraid that I'm going to be inserting it right there after that. I maybe don't want it there. I'll just drag it to where I want it. And you can always go back in there and you can edit the math with this button. It'll take me right back into the graph. I can make my edits, boom, insert my graph, and it automatically updates it. Excellent. Okay, another great feature here is the handwriting recognition tool. And so let's say that I actually prefer typing or using my mouse or my finger on my iPad or my phone. If I start, typing some math, it will recognize it and it will create it over here in this box, and then I can insert my math. And you'll notice that it just inserted that equation. So nice feature. Another really nice feature is the speech input. And so let's say potentially I wanted to go down to this box, determine the slope of the line, and I find it cumbersome to type. What I can do is I can speak in my answer. So I just activate this button. Let's say I've figured out the slope of this line. Y equals negative 3x minus 1. Stop recording. Hopefully you noticed there that it put it into text, but it actually converted my text into a mathematical equation. Really slick feature. And then I can just insert my math. And there it is. Okay. The other features down here at the bottom, Equatio Mobile, I'm going to do a different video to talk about that. And the insert math space, a different video for that one as well. But that gives you a little bit of a feel for the functionality of Equatio, which is amazing.